out of place, I knew I needed something new for me. I never knew just what that was.
Жақсы, енді сен.
Finding something safe was just like trying to catch a bird in flight. I knew that I would never touch.
Ең жақсы бала кім? Сен жақсы баласың.
Ей, мен едім ғой жақсы бала.
Қайырлы түн, Фердинанд.
Because I'm happy to call it. Shedding all that insecurity, I kind of found a new me. I'm okay with how that feels. Being me was hard enough, so being someone else was too much. All I want is something real. I won't let go. 'Cause I'm happy to call this home.
Қайырлы түн, Фердинанд.
Find a way you're happy, 'cause I'm happy